this program is very helpful. So it's benefiting me in two ways. Number one, it is giving me a platform to enter for my PhD. Number two, it is also helping me in my current job, where I'm going to incorporate labs and curriculum development in artificial intelligence. So for me, this program is absolutely very essential, because if you look at what's happening in the current world and the transition that we are getting into, I feel this was a great stepping stone. So hello everyone, this is Akshan Parker. I am a student of Great Learning, and I have actually benefited from this program. My job is, I'm a faculty with Zayed University Abu Dhabi campus. I have around 15 years of teaching experience, and I am into Python programming. I teach Python programming. I have taught Java programming for say around 15 years. And also I'm into other IT, you can say, subjects like system analysis and design and databases. I felt it is important for me to do a program with them. That's number one. Number two was also when I looked at the structure of the program. It was an intensive and a rigorous program, but if you look at the structure, it is very well divided. It is a hands-on program. And also I felt the programming language they were using was Python. So I would have an easy transition into learning artificial intelligence because I have a background in Python. I was just wanting to look at upgrading myself and preparing myself for my PhD program. And I felt this program is very helpful. So it's benefiting me in two ways. Number one, it is giving me a platform to enter for my PhD. Number two, it is also helping me in my current job, where I'm going to incorporate labs and curriculum development in artificial intelligence. So for me, this program is absolutely very essential, because if you look at what's happening in the current world and the transition that we are getting into, I feel this was a great stepping stone. Firstly, I would like to talk about the content of the course. The content of the course is very simple, very straightforward. And the best part is because they follow a flipped class approach. What happens in a flipped class approach is they have tailored videos, and they have tailored, you can say, the course material in a way that it is self-learning. So that gives you ample of time to understand the concepts in a way that I'm repeating the videos, I'm watching the videos again and again to have concept clarity. And many a times I don't even need the help of program office, because the videos have enough clarity in them. That's number one. Number two is when we get into a mentored learning session, we already have the prior knowledge, and we are looking at a case study where we are implementing the knowledge. So that brings about more clarity. I'm very happy that we have a very great mentor like Mr. Krishna. He has been very helpful, he has been very supportive, and he is also good in concept clarity. Like, for example, we have watched the videos, we have our concepts clear, but he will just brush over through, and we don't hesitate to ask him any questions. We are free, and I feel it's more like a very friendly and a healthy atmosphere for learning. Program manager, I'd like to mention her name, Garima. She's more like a friend to me. And she is absolutely a delight and my motivation for this course, because I have all of us have a very busy schedule. So you see, most of the people who are doing the program are working, and many a times you're not able to keep up, because it's a 6 or 7 month program. It's not like a 1 month program, so you do have your up and downs in the course, but sometimes you have no time, you are busy, you have family. So you can say you need someone to motivate you, and I think Garima does that job excellently well. The whole program on the whole, starting from the material, which is self-study, or you can say you need to watch the videos at your own pace, called flip learning. Number two is the hands-on. Hands-on is very important, because if you have the concepts and you do not know how to implement it, then I don't see you to be a winner here. So implementing the concepts is important. It is very simple, very simply explained. Each concept is done and broken down into smaller concepts, and it is explained to every learner in a very simplified way. The hands-on is very simple, so you don't feel threatened looking at Python programming. The mentor learning session discusses a case study where I feel it's a very healthy atmosphere, where everybody is contributing, everybody is asking questions. Also, you have you can say, more insights related to a topic given by various participants in the cohort. And yes, we also feel very happy when we get good scores. The grading is done, and when we get a score in, you can say, a quiz where it's a 10 on 10, or we score well in a project and a feedback is given. So I feel it's a complete package and a complete way of looking at wholesome learning. So this course can be done by people from various fields. It's not important for you to know programming. You can just simply enroll in this program and you will learn Python. You will learn, okay, you have to make an effort, because unless you do not invest time and effort into this program, it is no use. Okay, so number one is you need the time and effort, but on the whole this program is beneficial. Why? Because it will help you in a career transition. Maybe somebody is looking for a different kind of a job, or if somebody wants to have a career transition. So I feel this is one of the best programs you can go with. And also the certificate is coming from one of the top universities in the world, which has a QS ranking of 8, which is University of Texas at Austin. So I feel it holds a lot of weight, because if you are investing those 7 months in learning, might as well you need to get a certificate which is credentialed from a very highly rated university. And I feel University of Texas at Austin is that university. I think you have done an excellent job. Keep up the good work, and keep great learning on. Thanks.